Okay guys, so you guys just saw I installed the banner, the Reyes photos, and it's been a couple days, but yeah, I did install it. It's put on, looks good. It's like really noticeable. I have been driving it and I haven't gotten stopped or anything because of my stickers or anything, so that's a good. And right now I literally just did the oil change, and right now I'm gonna take out my back wheels, my back LTZs, the 26s, because some of you might know, some of you might not, but those two wheels are cracked. So I'm gonna be taking them off, and I'm gonna go take out the tires. I don't know when I'm gonna take out the tires, but I'm gonna take out the tires and I'm gonna go send them to someone to weld them. I have a welder. I have someone that can weld my wheels, because I don't know how to do that, but yeah, he does a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to him. I'm probably gonna do one wheel at a time, not like everything. I'm not in a rush wheel. And after that, I'm actually gonna, so right now I'm gonna take them off, and then I'm gonna put on my stocks, and only in the back, unloosen my bed, take off the tailgate, take off the bed, and I'm gonna go drop it off with a friend. He's actually gonna be doing my C-notch, my underbed notch. So I'm gonna go do that, and then that's when you guys will see the whole process to it. And then after that, yeah, hopefully it's installed, and it's an underbed one, so hopefully you change the ride of it, because right now it rides really bumpy. And yeah, so we're gonna be recording the whole process and that, how to do it, how to weld it, how to install it, how to measure and everything. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. And we just took off the bed right now, and I have the C-notches right here with me, and I'm about to go drop it off to a friend's house that's gonna be welding it for me. So we'll probably talk right there a little bit, put it in, and leave it there, and he'll work on it whenever he got time. Well, and I'm pretty sure he'll be done by the weekend, probably by Saturday, maybe, or Monday. I don't mind how long it's in there for, but as long as it gets done, you know, good work takes time, you know. So I'm gonna go do that right now, and yeah. This is the work from the OBS right now. It is all welded on. He did run out of gas, but I went to go put gas in it, so I just gotta cut the actual frame off now. I'm gonna cut it off with the Sawzall, so I have that. I just gotta cut it off on both sides, and then I'm gonna send it back to him, and yeah, and then you guys will see the rest. So it's been like probably like 2 days, and then so now it's fully welded, fully put on, everything's good, sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So next off is to put back the 26s, which is, they're not those, but they're LTZs as well. And that's about it now. So now it's just time to put back the 26s, and yeah, well I'm gonna first do it because 2 of them are still broken, cracked. I gotta take them off and take them to go get welded, and then I'm gonna put them on. So yeah, so it's all sturdy, it drives great, like there's no like nothing, it doesn't bounce anymore, it doesn't hit hard, it drives smooth. So I just gotta put back on the bed, and yeah, that's about it. There's a metal piece under the bed that I gotta cut before putting on the bed, and then I do gotta hide the wires through the C-notch, just so my tire won't eat it. So you guys just saw we just installed the bottle sticker on my brother's truck. Right now I am gonna spray paint underneath the C-notch because that is missing some spots. So I'm probably gonna sand down wherever it got some like surface rust on it, and then spray paint it fully again, and then hide the wires through the actual C-notch, and then yeah, and then after that I'm gonna lift up my bed and I'm gonna cut that little metal piece like I was saying, and then I'm gonna hopefully put it on tomorrow when I have everybody here. At least I need like 2 people on each side. Right now I only have 3, so
I don't give a fuck what you rapping. You.
I just cut this whole pole right here. There's a right there. I did cut it with the grinder, and I kind of chipped off this, and like there's a hole right here in 2 of them, but that's because I pulled it out and like it was sticking out, so I just cut it. Same right here, I just cut it. I did try to trim off all this so I don't rub. Kind of on this side, but not really, because my diff for some reason is more this side. Yeah, it's more this side. So that's what I did. I'm about to put it back on because I miss it with the bed. It looks it looks kind of weird without the bed. So I'm gonna put the bed back on there, bolt it on, and see how it looks. And remind you guys, I did do the C-notch. I'm thinking of putting back my shackles, my lowering shackles, but we'll see how it looks with the bed on and everything. I'm gonna check over and see if I need to grind anything off here on the wheel wells, but I don't think I will, so this will be it.
In a fake, I'm everything that they.
Okay, the C-notch is installed like I said. You guys seen already, C-notch is installed, underbed notch, and the truck drives really well. It drives really good, way better than it did before, and overall it's highly recommended to get a C-notch when you do the flip kit. At least on the OBS's. I know on some newer years you don't need a C-notch right away, but on the OBS's, and I believe cat eyes as well, like the NBS and the Chino eyes, once you go a 6-inch drop, you need a C-notch, because there's the bolt-on C-notch, and then there's the underbed, and then there's the monster one, which is the big one. But yeah, I have the underbed because I didn't want to cut my bed, so I do have that. The only thing is that I still do need to take off my rear tire because I still gotta weld it, so that's what we'll be doing probably tomorrow. Maybe you guys will see that. But other than that, that's about it. It does drive good. It drives really smooth. I did not relocate my shocks. I was going to, but then I ended up not, because I like the way it drives already. So maybe later in the future I will, but right now I'm fine with it. I was thinking about putting the shackles on, but I'm not sure about that because I am rubbing really bad. So it's either because my diff is a little bit more to the driver's side, so maybe I have to mess with it to get more over to the passenger. But other than that, it's fine. So
Cut.
It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me? 550 on the fast.